Here's a few images that I did over the last couple of nights with my Celestron 130 EQ Newtonian telescope, as well as I'm using a SV Bony SV205 planetary camera hooked up to my laptop. So have fun and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and comment down below. And thanks for watching. So here's me recording with my phone, my laptop screen. Never mind that big kind of weird bit there. That's because my screen of my laptop's starting to give up. Pixels are starting to drop off. But this is the moon. You can see it's a live view right now. It's hooked up to my planetary camera. There's the moon up in the sky. I'm going to zoom in here a bit, and I'll bring down the exposure so that you can see that it is actually the moon that I am filming. Many times there are some people, science deniers or flat earthers, that say the moon is its own light source, and it's at some magic dome, but you can clearly see from my images that I'll show you here that the moon is actually reflecting the sun's light. It's just a clear image of the telescope I'm using. So here is an image of Mars. It's not the best. I'm still getting used to doing Mars. Mars is quite small, so I'm still trying to kind of figure out some of the settings. I'm not a professional by any means, and my processing is getting better. But this is Mars. You can see the South Pole there. The way it depends which way it's facing, and you can see different storms. And using astronomy software, it confirmed this was Mars I was looking at. So I'm getting better. So, but this is a few of the images I've processed. This is a bit better there. You can see Mars a little more clear. It all depends on atmospheric conditions and obviously telescope and the camera. And this is Jupiter. Jupiter's a bit easier. Jupiter's really, really big, and it's quite clear, and it's really bright, so it'll be easier to get images of this. So this is definitely Jupiter. Sometimes you can see a red spot, sometimes you can't, depends where it is. Jupiter actually does rotate, and if you over several hours time lapse, you can actually see it rotating. And here's Jupiter with 3 of the Galilean moons. This is one night here. Then this is a different night. You can see how the moons have actually moved, and I've done some other ones since then. Here's the moon. This is after me processing it a bit, so it's a bit clear. So it wasn't a full moon this night, but you can clearly see the moon. You can see the craters where they're lit up by the sun and where the shadows. And this is, like I say, processing. All you do is just stack the images, and then you just kind of clean it up a little bit. But this is, so it kind of makes it a bit more clear. You can see where the cutoff point is, where the sun was reflecting. This is a 3/4 waxing gimbus, so it was going to be a full moon in a few days. You can see there where there's a crater in the shadow, and you can see the sunlight reflecting off of it. See there again, it's a past terminator line, and there's a crater with the sunlight reflecting off the edge, and the rest is the shadows. It's very clear that this is not a light source like some flat earthers like to claim. This is just a big dusty rock that's orbiting our planet. Now there's a few random ones. Here's a star here. There's another one of the star. I think this was actually Betelgeuse. I do Betelgeuse once in a while. Like I said, I'm still getting better, but there's just a few random stars. Thanks for watching. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to do more astrophotography if I can. Living in the UK, I don't always have clear skies, clear nights, as well as I have a family, so there are priorities, and not always is getting out with the scope and the camera. Is it feasible? I either don't have time or the weather doesn't like to cooperate. Living on an island and all. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me for more, smash that like button, comment down below, and watch more videos. I'm going to try to do more when and if I can, and try to put up more of that, as well as it proves that the Earth is a sphere, like all the other planets that we do see, and the firmament isn't real. We can see the different stars, different planets in our sky. Even your little Flirt 1000 isn't yet as good as that telescope. I can tell you right now, that telescope's at least 3 to 3.5 times more powerful than your Flirt 1000, as well as bigger aperture, I can gather a lot more light and see things as well as I know how to focus. So thanks for watching. See you again.
And by the way, all those rumors on the internet are fake. I'm not flat. I'm not hollow on the inside, and there's